guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little green moment to match my sweater. And I love green eyeshadow. So I already did my base makeup. So to get right into the video, I'm going to be starting with contour. And you already know I'm going to be using this contour palette and the 3 contour shades. And to do my nose contour, I'm just going to be using this brush that I use for my contour and just smooshing it down to make a thinner brush and using the lightest shade in the contour palette. Next up is blush, and I'm going to be using the ColourPop and Ava collaboration, this little palette that has a highlighter and a blush in it, but I'm going to be using the blush. So I'm just going to be using the same brush because why not? Next is highlighter, and I'm going to be using of course this Greek Goddess highlighter palette, and I'm just going to be dipping in Medusa, which is the shade right here, the middle bottom shade, and highlighting. Okay, so next up is the eyeshadow part, and I'm actually going to be using one of the Vault collections, and this one is Dark Magic, and it looks like this. And I'm just going to be doing a little green moment like I said. So I'm going to be starting off with Poof, which is the lightest tan color in this little book. I already primed my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape. I used it as concealer, but then I also put it on my eyes, so I just like that as my my eyeshadow primer. And then I'm just using the lightest shade. It helps blend the colors better together, so it has like something to blend and mix together with. And yeah, and I don't know if I mentioned this when I did my palette collection, but they all have their own little mirrors in there, so it's like so perfect. Next I'm going in with Shh, which is like a medium light brown color. Next I'm going to be going into Mojo, which is the darkest brown shade in this palette, and putting it in the outer V. Okay, next on my finger I'm going to be taking Trickery, which is a kind of shimmery, I wouldn't call it metallic, but it's like a kind of shiny green shade in this palette. And I'm just going to be taking that on my finger and dabbing that on. And I'm sure if you don't want to use your finger, a nice flat brush would also pack it on well. So I'm going to do a little bit of that. It's easier to get into right in here. With your finger, it kind of doesn't fit that well. So it did take quite a lot of packing to get it to the capacity that I wanted it to be, but it still got there and it's still great. So we are going to be going in with Mojo and maybe a little bit of to blend that together. Okay, now I'm going to be taking, I think I'm just going to do brown on the bottom here. So I'm going to go with and Mojo and just kind of bring out the eyeshadow down along the bottom. And if you do get a little bit of fallout, because I got some fallout from the green, I just took my big powder brush and kind of just like flicked it up to like get rid of any fallout, and then there was still like a little bit in the inner corner. So then I took a little bit of Poof, which is this light shade, and just kind of tried to wipe it away with that, and it seemed like it worked. So if you ever have a little bit of fallout, because I do my face makeup first, and some people do the other way, so if you did your eye makeup first, you could just use makeup remover and clear that out, and then do your which I think most people they don't do their lower lash line until after they do their face makeup. So if you have a chance to remove it with makeup wipes, then that would be perfect, but I do my face makeup first, so I didn't get that chance. And then to make it easier, instead of using the highlighter shade from the other one of these, I'm just going to be using the same highlighter, this one here, that I use for my face, just in case you don't have all of the vaults. Not saying that everybody's going to have this highlighter palette, but because there's no highlighter in this palette, just use whatever you use for your face. So I don't think I'm going to be doing a wing today. I think I'm just going to be putting on some mascara. So I'm going to curl my lashes and use my X-rated mascara or whatever you prefer. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and my mascara is on. And now just to finish this look, I've been using this a lot, but I'm just going to be using Manny's Zaya liquid lip. There's also some cheaper alternatives that you could use that I also use a lot, which are I should have it right here. If you're looking for an alternative to that, you could use Sandstorm by NYX liquid suede. This is also really nice. I really use this. I used to use this a lot in like all my other videos. Yeah, or you could just go for like a gloss lip or something like that, or any nude that you prefer. But for this look, I'm going to be using this because I love it. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this green moment video, and I really hope you enjoyed this look. And you of course could add false lashes to glam it up, but I'm just going to TJ Maxx and so these hoop earrings are enough glam for me to go to TJ Maxx. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe, and yeah, comment down below more videos you'd like to see. See you in my next video. Bye. Gotta get a napkin. If you want to know what I'm drinking, it's regular coffee with French vanilla creamer. And if you would like to try one of my favorite coffees, get blueberry, you heard it, blueberry hot coffee with French vanilla creamer. Like a blueberry warm muffin, straight out the oven. So good. Please give it a go and comment down below if you try it, because I would like you to try it. It's really great. Yeah. When in doubt, pinky out.